Here we are today out at Scotts Creek Conservation Park, just investigating this bore pump that delivers water from down the bottom there all the way up to these storage tanks. And then the water from the storage tank is then delivered via this 80mm pipe here that then goes all the way back to the main track to a stand pipe for filling up of the CFS trucks during a bushfire. So we've just been engaged here today by the Parks and Recreation Department of the government to just confirm that everything's working after the 2021 bushfires came through. So we're just going to start a little bit of investigative works here around this pipe, which has been attacked by the fire. And so we're going to do some exploring and then check the pumps are working and go from there.